Loud noises in pregnancy, effects on baby. Pregnancy is a transformative journey that raises many questions about the unborn child's well being, especially regarding loud noises. Understanding that a baby's hearing develops around the 18th week, exposure to sounds over 85 decibels can cause potential damage. Loud noises can elevate stress levels, disrupt sleep, and lead to complications like preterm labor. Research shows correlations between high noise exposure and adverse outcomes. Expecting mothers should limit noise exposure, manage stress effectively, and create a peaceful environment. Learn more at citizenshospitals.com.